The fall from grace, Jay Cutler's shocking arrest. Jay Cutler, a name synonymous with NFL stardom and reality TV fame, recently found himself in the harsh glare of the legal spotlight. The former quarterback was arrested on DUI charges in Franklin, Tennessee, sending shockwaves through the sports world and beyond. This incident, marred by alleged attempts to evade responsibility and compounded by serious charges, paints a grim picture of a star seemingly losing his way. Cutler's arrest serves as a stark reminder that fame and fortune offer no immunity from the consequences of reckless behavior. The details of the incident, as they have emerged, reveal a disturbing disregard for the law and the safety of others. As the legal process unfolds, the world watches, waiting to see if justice will be served. Fleeing the scene, a desperate attempt. The incident began with Cutler allegedly rear-ending another vehicle. Instead of remaining at the scene, as required by law, Cutler reportedly attempted to flee. This attempt to evade responsibility, if proven true, speaks volumes about his state of mind at the time. Witnesses claim that Cutler offered the other driver involved $2,000 to not contact the police. This alleged bribe, a desperate attempt to escape the consequences of his actions, further implicates Cutler in a pattern of reckless disregard for the law. This attempt to buy silence, however, proved futile, as the police were ultimately called to the scene. Intoxication and defiance. The evidence mounts. Upon arriving at the scene, officers noted several signs of intoxication in Cutler. His eyes were bloodshot, his speech slurred, and a strong odor of alcohol emanated from him. These observations, documented in the police report, paint a clear picture of Cutler's alleged inebriated state. Despite the overwhelming evidence, Cutler initially denied consuming any alcohol. He refused to participate in a field sobriety test, a legal right that, while understandable, often raises red flags. This refusal, however, led the officers to obtain a warrant for a blood alcohol test, the results of which are still pending. A dangerous discovery, firearms, and increased charges. The situation escalated further when officers conducted a search of Cutler's vehicle. They discovered a rifle in the back seat and a loaded Glock handgun in the center console. This alarming discovery resulted in an additional charge of illegal possession of a firearm while intoxicated, a serious offense with potentially severe penalties. The presence of firearms in Cutler's possession while allegedly intoxicated raises serious concerns about his judgment and disregard for safety. This discovery adds another layer of complexity to the case, potentially impacting the severity of the charges against him. The weight of the law, legal proceedings, and potential consequences. Cutler is now facing a slew of charges, including DUI, illegal possession of a firearm while intoxicated, leaving the scene of an accident, and attempting to bribe a witness. These charges, if he is found guilty, could result in significant fines, imprisonment, and a lasting stain on his reputation. The legal proceedings are ongoing, and Cutler is due back in court on January 16, 2025. The outcome of this case remains uncertain, but one thing is clear. Cutler's actions have consequences, and he will have to answer for them before the law. Awaiting justice, the uncertain future of Jay Cutler. Jay Cutler's arrest serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of drunk driving and the importance of personal accountability. His alleged attempts to evade responsibility and the discovery of firearms in his possession only amplify the severity of his actions. As the legal process unfolds, the world watches, waiting to see if justice will be served. The outcome of this case will undoubtedly have a significant impact on Cutler's life, serving as a stark reminder that fame and fortune offer no escape from the long arm of the law.